So in this update, I'm going to talk about the mining stocks, what's going on with the mining stocks right now, and what can we expect moving forward. This is a bit of a technical analysis update, so let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, so let's get straight into it. Traders, I'm actually giving away free access to my trading course. That I normally charge for. If you need help, then I'm giving away free access. There should be a link or a button or something around this page, or just go to johnsfreegift.com, JOHNS freegift.com, and you can get free access to that trading course. A bit of a gift from me to say thank you for being my subscriber. Or there should be a button around this page, or link or something like that. The thing I'm looking at with the GDX is, look at this here. The GDX right now is creating what I believe the GDX right now. To me, I believe looks like to me we have just now started to create what could be the final low in the market for many years to come. Final low. So what we're looking at here is we're looking at a big V bottom, and look what happened here. So on the mining sector here, firstly, we can see we had this big support level. Look at this, what I call the slingshot pattern, or the bear trap, as it's called, false breakout. But look at this here, bit of a false break to the downside, and then we got a very nice move up. This is what's called I call it a slingshot move, because it's like pulling the elastic band back and then sling it to the upside. So we can see that firstly we have a bit of a bear trap situation going on through here. And that's actually very high probability now that because this bear trap is now confirmed, because we're up here, that this low here is probably likely to be the final low for many years to come out of the GDX. And you can see that. Look at this back here, right? We had this support line all through here, and now not only are we getting the false breakout or the slingshot move to the upside, but now we're getting what? Now we're getting a beautiful move down and then move up. And so if I'm looking at these angles, right, because I like to look at the angle of the market. So we can see the movement from there to there was that move, and from there to there was that move. So if I'm looking at here, we have a V bottom in the market. Now, V bottom along with slingshot pattern. Man, I love pink today for some reason. Right, let me change the color. So V bottom is what is obviously, to me, it's likely to be creating a bottom in the market, and so therefore, I would really like this thing to start to actually create an upward trend instead of just a V bottom. And to get that, we need a bit of a pullback, a bit of a higher low, and then start to get a nice move up, create a higher low, break past. Let's actually start an upward trend like we did back here, right? Higher low, break past previous highs, and then we want to start an upward trend. That's what we want to see when it comes to the GDX. We're actually seeing a very good strong V bottom through here, and now we're holding here really strongly. So again, I wouldn't be too surprised if we actually did get a little bit of a pullback and then a higher low, and then we're probably likely to start to make a move back up towards the $40 level, and then probably a move back up towards a new high for the last couple of years when it comes to the GDX there. Looking at through the GDXJ, and the same thing as well too, as I said before, but the GDXJ is actually a bit stronger. Look at this here. So that was the move down, and look at it, and then this is now the move up, or from there to there. So notice how the move up has actually been a lot longer. So now we're probably likely to get something like this, and a continuation to the upside. If we have a look at the weekly charts here, when it comes to the weekly charts, when it comes to this one here, as you can see, we are getting a move up and then a bit of a pullback through here. This is a very weak sign, guys. It's a very weak for the sellers, because you can see we had a very strong move up. Look at how this is just very weak. When you get that, it's like a bit of a bull flag or something like that. But when you get something like this, where you have a strong move up and then a very weak move, there's a high probability we're likely to get a break and then a run again as well too. So keep an eye, keep a really good close eye on the GDXJ, because if we start to get a very good strong breakout, that to me is going to be a continuation move from this move up here as well too. So that's the thing I'm looking for. That's the big picture analysis there as well too. Moving over now through to the SIL, and the same thing again, right? What are we getting here? Nice false breakout, slingshot move, and also V bottom action as well on the SIL. And the SILJ, again, the same thing as well too. So all the mining sectors right now, all mining sectors are creating a good V bottom in the markets. And so therefore, I would really like to see a nice higher low to confirm the upward trend and start to get something like that. So therefore, we create like a bit of a shoulder, head, shoulder, bit of a breaking of the neckline, and that way we can that way it's going to give us a high probability of seeing a very, very, very nice move to the upside. So right now, guys, to me, when it comes to all the mining sector through here, to me, it looks like we've made a final low for many years to come. Hey traders, I'm giving away 100% free access to my brand new breakthrough full trading course. This is 8 videos over 10 hours of pure amazing and powerful strategies. This is my most powerful systems and strategies that I've used for the last 16 years, and I'm giving it away for free. So this is what I want you to do right now. I want you to go to johnsfreegift.com, or there should be a link around here somewhere, a button or in the description or somewhere in there. Click on that and you can go get free access to my brand new breakthrough trading course. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now. Go to that right now, guys. You can get full, complete, free membership access. Go do that right now.